Welcome to the RBMI Group of Institutions. The management department of RBMI enriches students with class activities, dynamic group discussions, impactful presentations, and creating a fostering skills that is essential for real-world success.
My most cherished memory to date is of the time when our team went to the Build Expo. It was an exhibition of branded companies showcasing their products and services. There were companies like Philips, Ashoka Foam, Ambuja Cement, Asian Paints, etc. Working together on this project was like assembling a dream team, each of us bringing unique skills to the table, from the initial brainstorming sessions to overcoming the challenges. Every step was a testament to the power of collaboration. And this experience wasn't just about grades. It was about learning to adapt, support one another, and celebrate our collective achievements.
I'm thrilled to share a milestone at my academic journey, that is the exciting news of being selected for the internship program at the Jungleberry company. Crafting the application on paper was like showcasing my skills, knowledge, and passion for the industry.
At RBMI, our mission is to nurture business leaders with a global outlook, creating ethical values, and providing sustainable development growth. Welcome to RBMI, where you learn by trying it all out.